Hello and welcome back to the Satoshi Society YouTube channel. This is sort of an urgent update because I was off doing something else, and then on my phone I got all the notifications that my short limit orders that we went through today were being hit. So just to go through quickly before we enter the charts and we enter what's going on, please make sure you smash a like on this video. It does really help me out. I do really appreciate it, and it is free as well. So on the stream earlier today, I did go through the shorting area that I did have, and the area that I was going to short. And I mentioned this over on Twitter as well. Pump it to 20,000 to 20,300, then dump it. That's the plan. That is my plan. The reason being is because I do believe we have a lot of resistance, and I'll go through that if you missed the live earlier on today. I will go through why I think this is a really good shorting opportunity. But yeah, over on Twitter, I said short limit orders have been placed. As you can see right here, I put all those short limit orders in, and I will prove that as well by going on to Bybit as well. But make sure you follow us on Twitter as well, because we do post updates there as well, and trade updates will be posted there as well. But getting straight on into the charts, we can see that we have come and hit my resistance level almost perfectly. You know, I said $20,000 to $20,300. There is still a possibility that we could go higher than that. If we got a break above that, then I'd be looking at that being my invalidation, and my my stop loss is going to be at 10%. That's just always how I do it. But yeah, we've come into this level. We are seeing a bit of volatility coming in. We've seen that price push towards the upside. This is what I anticipated. So the first part of what I anticipated is coming into play. Let's just hope that the second part is right. Now, the reason why I do think we are going to see a pullback from here is because there is major resistance coming in. So first of all, we have the previous range here. So the 1 hour range, the smaller 1 hour range. Now, we were trading this range. You know, we shorted this and we longed this here, made some really nice profits here, made some really nice profits there. And what happened is we got the break towards the downside of this value area low area right here. Now, what we're looking at is the price actually retracing and retesting that as resistance. So that's one reason why I think that is going to be a strong resistance level. Also, we have the value area high of the 4 hour range. So we've actually made it back into this 4 hour range. As you can see right here, we traded this value, fixed range here. You know, previously, if you've been following the channel, we shorted this and we shorted this down to the value area low. We made really nice profits there. This is a resistance level. That is lining up and in perfect confluence with that value area low of the fixed range on the 1 hour time frame. So there is a lot of resistance already, but we also have this ascending parallel channel, which, as you can see here, has been respected really nicely. Right there, using it as support previously as well. And at the bottom, you can see lots of supports here as well. And we have actually got the break towards the downside right there. So there's resistance coming in there because previous support will act as resistance. And that is why I think this is, this is what makes it an even stronger resistance level. And to add on to that as well, if we come down into the 1 hour, we can see that we have been respecting this level of around $20,018 and $20,080. If we zoom in a little bit, we can see that this level has been very well respected as support. So support there, support there, support there, support there. And as you can see right here, we got the break towards the downside, and right now we are retesting that as resistance. So it is going to be a very strong resistance level. So there is a lot of resistance coming in at this level. This is why earlier on today I put this green box in here telling you that this is where I was going to be looking to short. And as we can see, going over to Bybit, I have actually entered. I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I have entered that short position in a slight loss right now, but I am expecting that price to pull back from here. And yeah, hopefully it will be a very successful trade. You know, we've been shorting a lot. We've also been longing as well. We made some longs, but the previous short I took, you know, here we go, 35% in a profit, $642 in a profit, plus the profit that I took before as well, 170 there. So we made some really, really nice profits there, over $800 in a profit on that trade. So I'm looking to continue this winning streak that I'm on and short this area here. So this is the reason why I am short. I just wanted to bring you a really quick update, letting you know that we are in my shorting zone and I am entering into this short position, as you can see right here. I do still have one order, which is at $20,260. That hasn't been hit as of yet. And to be honest, if it doesn't get hit, I'm not too worried. But yeah, so this is the area I'm short. This is the area I am shorting. I solely base my trades off of technical analysis, and now I know there's a lot of bearish fundamental news that has come out as well. That has helped, obviously, with the technical analysis. But coming back to Twitter, I went through this earlier on today, and I mentioned that even before we saw this bearish fundamental news coming out, I was bearish. Okay, I said this on the 3rd of November. Pump it to 21,000 to 21,500, then dump it to 20,000. That's the plan. I told you that was a plan, and we longed it. Okay, so we were just trading the range, and on this live here, I showed you me entering a long position and why I entered that long position. I showed you me taking profit. I said take profit, one has been hit, and then I continued, almost ready to begin shorting again. My short, I was starting shorting at 21,000. Okay, the shorting has started, as you can see right there. We entered that short position there, and all longs closed. Shorting has started at 21,000, so I closed part of that long at 26% in a profit. And then obviously we've got that bearish news coming out as well, which really helped with the short position that we did have. But short trade is going as expected. As you can see, 16% in a profit. And then this morning, all shorts have been closed at 35% in a profit. It's always good to take profit. That's why I took profit on this trade. And then I was looking for those next levels. And it happened to be that the next levels I was looking at were shorting levels. So as you can see, this is going back to what I said on the 3rd of November. Pump it to 21,000 to 21,500, then dump it to 20,000. That's the plan. I made a little joke out of it, exactly as predicted, as the moon Cole would say, because that's exactly what happened. We longed this area here. We pumped all the way up to that target between $21,000 and $21,500, and then we shorted that area down to that value area, low value area, high area on the 4-hour and the 1-hour range. So we made some really nice profits there, and now we're getting this retest. I'm hoping that we're going to get a pullback. That is what I want to see. That is why I'm shorting. That is why I'm putting my money where my mouth is. And of course, I'm going to bring that to you as soon as I can. This is my plan. This is what I'm doing. I mentioned this over on Twitter as well. Pump it to 20,000 to 20,300, then dump it. That's the plan. That is my plan. I've got my orders in, and we're going to wait and see if we get a reaction, a bearish reaction to this level here. We could see a little consolidation maybe, and then we see the price pullback. But initially, this is the area I'm shorting, and I am shorting it right now, as you can see on Bybit. If you want to trade with us on Bybit, make sure you click the link in the description. You can get up to around $4,000 in bonuses, sign-up bonuses. We also have Femex as well, so make sure you sign up with those links in the description, and then you can trade on Bybit. Also, I want to bring up the DXY quickly as well, because the DXY is dumping. When we see the DXY dump, we do tend to see Bitcoin pump, and we were actually, before we had this little pump on the Bitcoin chart here, what we were seeing is Bitcoin was actually dumping whilst the DXY was dumping. And now my only explanation for that is that Bitcoin was just lagging behind. Bitcoin was lagging behind. But looking at this here, this is looking very bullish for the DXY, but bearish for Bitcoin, because as you can see right here, we're coming into major support on the DXY. So we have this major support here, which has been major resistance right there, and a bit of support after the break, as you can see there. So this, for me, is a very strong support level. We also have this descending parallel channel. You could even call it a bull flag as well. Maybe the bull flag, the pole of the bull flag starts there. We could take that there, move that to the breakout point. We could get a pretty high target for the DXY. But initially, there is A lot of support coming in here for me on the DXY, which signals to me we could see another bounce off of this level, maybe coming back up to 113. So if we saw Bitcoin continuing to dump, I would expect the DXY to be leading that by seeing the DXY push towards the upside. So this is my view. And yeah, as I said, I'm putting my money where my mouth is, and I am shorting this area here, like I said I was going to do this morning. To be honest with you, it came a little bit quicker than expected. I was off doing something else, and then I had to rush to my computer and get the thumbnail together and all that. But yeah, here we are. We're in my shorting area, and I'm expecting this price to pull back from here. Again, if it gets invalidated, it would be a break above $20,300 approximately. That would be the invalidation for me, a candle break above it. And yeah, obviously I got that stop loss at 10% as well. So everything is in place, and yeah, getting ready to wait and see if this price does pull back. My analysis has been pretty on point recently. This is our 8th or 9th trade over the past 2 months, and we've only had one losing trade. So hopefully we can continue this winning streak that I have been on. But yeah, we made some really, really nice profits, and proof is here this morning, 35% in a profit, $640 in a profit. Well, 800 if you add the realized profit that I took previously as well. There you go. So just over $800 in a profit. So really, really nice. Yeah, so that's what I'm currently doing. I'll look through the comments quickly. Rack first. Akeshi, nice to see you back. Second. I love this game. Long, short, and smash that like button, you crypto freaks. Yes, definitely. I love this as well. I love sitting in front of a computer and making trades like this. And if you could smash the like button as well, I would really, really appreciate it. It really helps me out, and yeah, helps the channel out. And I can continue to bring you these trades as well, which recently have been very, very profitable, as you can see from this screenshot right here. So let's hope we can see this streak sort of continue. CZ just buy FTX. Don't know if this resistance will resist to that news. Okay, for me, I'm solely basing my my analysis off technical analysis. Now, maybe Ben, I haven't heard of this, but maybe Ben has said that in the earlier live. I'm not too sure. Is it only just come out now? Let me know in the comments. But yeah, that's sort of not my expertise. I tend to look at the technicals rather than the actual fundamental side of things. But anyway, yeah. This is my plan. I've gone through my plan. This is what I'm doing. We are seeing that price come up to 20,300. We'll see what goes on. We've got that stop loss in place. And yeah, obviously the invalidation is the break above. So that's my plan. And of course, if we are going to see anything change, I will come live and I will give you updates. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you smash a like on this video, and I can continue to bring these trades to you and this technical analysis to you as well. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next update. Thank you.